Quadratic inequalities. First, let's look at the quadratic function. Here we have a function x squared plus x minus 2. We can see that the graph is a parable. This parable is open upwards. It crosses the x-axis at 2 points for x equal to minus 2 and for x equal to 1. At these 2 points, the function value is 0. If we have the equation x squared plus x minus 2 equal to 0, it has two solutions, x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 1. Let's look at another function. In this case, minus x squared minus x plus 2. We see that the sign for x squared is negative. That is also a graph which is a parable, but it is open downwards. That's decided by the sign for x squared. We have coincidentally the same solutions for the equation minus x squared minus x plus 2 equal to 0. And that's for x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 1. Let's return to the first graph. In the whole interval from x equal to minus 2 to 1, not included, the function values are negative. The whole graph is below the x-axis in that interval. For values of x less than minus 2, the function values are positive. Also for x values greater than 1. If we look at the inequality x squared plus x minus 2 less than 0, that's true for all x values between minus 2 and 1, because in this interval the function values are negative. Let's look at the other possibility. When is it true that the function values are greater than 0? That's true for x values less than minus 2 and x values greater than 1. In this case, our solutions are divided into two areas for x less than minus 2 and x greater than 1. Let's return to the other parable, which had a negative sign for x squared. If we look at the inequality minus x squared minus x plus 2 greater than 0, that will be true for function values greater than 0, and that's true for the interval from for x equal to minus 2 to 1, not included. And in the whole interval, minus x squared minus x plus 2 greater than 0 is true. And in the other possibility, minus x squared minus x plus 2 less than 0, when is that true? That's true when function values are less than 0, and that's below the x-axis. That is true if x is less than minus 2 or if x is greater than 1. You can try to make a rule for solutions for such a quadratic inequation. It's not easy to remember though. You can look at the sign for x squared when it's greater than 0 and the function is less than 0. So you have the solutions lying between the roots. When they are equal, the solutions are outside the roots. At the other graph, you can see that here we have a negative sign for x, so it's less than 0 and the function is greater than 0. Again, the solutions are between the roots. And here we have same sign for x squared and the function, and the solutions are outside the roots. It's obviously easier to look at the graph.